I think so. The online session.
Yeah.
2 weeks ago, only one person joined for like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And last week, no one joined.
Okay. Yep.
So I just do that.
Yeah.
I mean, you still need to be kind of
Available.
active,
Yeah.
just in case someone joins.
Yeah.
Like this. I didn't leave the call.
Yeah.
I was still there in the
Yeah.
turned off my camera. I just
Yeah.
was there.
Yeah.
But if the same thing happened
Yeah,
to finish,
same.
likely happens just 2 more times, maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's not like worth it.